Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer video Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 to iPhone. Some provide quick and easy way. So open your any browser, like I'm open my Chrome browser. Search that to airdrop.net and the same okay. Once it open, wait just few seconds, then automatically connect this device. The Samsung connect the iPhone and iPhone connect the Samsung. So just select photo and video and select any photo or video, like I'm select video. Okay, like I'm select this video and you just press on accept. And you need to just press on download, and now it's download. Okay. So look here, now successfully transfer this video.